Hey everyone! In this video, we will show you how to add a contact form on Google Sites. First, open the Google Sites app or go to the Google Sites website on your device. Click on the option to create a blank site. This will start a new, empty site for you to work on. In the menu on the right side, click on Pages. Then, click on the plus icon to add a new page. When prompted, enter the name of the new page as Contact. You will now see that a new page titled Contact has been created. Open Google Forms in a new tab or window. Select the template called Contact Information or start with a blank form. Change the form title to Contact Us by clicking on the title field and typing in the new name. Below the title, enter a brief description of the form. Add the necessary fields to your form. You can include fields for name, email, address, and phone number. Go back to your Google site. Click on Insert in the right-hand menu. To get the form onto your site, return to your Google form and click on Send. Go back to your Google site. Scroll down the right panel and click on Forms. Select the form you created from the list. Click on Insert to place the form on your page. After inserting the form, you can click and drag it to adjust its position on the page. Make sure it is placed in a spot that looks good and is easy for visitors to find. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.